Hi, I'm Mrs. Tolf, and I'm going to show you today how to play the staircase game. It's a fun flashcard game that you can play with really any type of flashcards you'd like. It can be math equations, letters and sounds, or even some sight words, or really anything that you'd like to learn about. It's really fun and gives you exercise as well. The first thing you're going to do is make some flashcards of whatever you're learning about, and then put them on the stairs going up, and then put them on the stairs going down. To play this game, every time you go up the stairs, you've got to read a word for every step. So here I go. Pain, tail, sail, stay, wait. And when you play this game, you can go however fast you'd like to go. So let's see how fast I am. Pain, tail, sail, stay, wait. And then down the stairs. Tail, gain, pain, snail, rain, oh, I missed one, and sing. You can keep practicing over and over again. It's also great exercise. I hope you have fun playing the staircase game. Have fun playing.